Hi friends, welcome back to Happy Quiz.
Good is your knowledge of sea animals. Let's go for 35 questions about marine life. Special about starfish. Their arms can regrow, they are immortal, or they change color. Good job, their arms can regrow. What is the largest animal in the ocean? The blue whale, the orca, or the great white shark? Yes, it's the blue whale. It can grow up to 90 feet long. The movie from the Emojis. Finding Nemo. Listen carefully to the sound and guess the animal. That's the sound of the whale. Isn't it amazing? How many tentacles does an octopus have? 6, 8, or 12? Don't get discouraged. It has 8. Pearl is an animal. True or false? True. Incredible. Who's singing?
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do? We
Dory.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do? We
Need to swim to breathe. True or false? True. Swimming allows water to pass over their gills. Which marine animal sleeps while floating? The dolphin, the shark, or the turtle? Dolphins sleep while floating on the water surface. And now? Call the fear of deep water. Thalassophobia, agoraphobia, or nyctophobia? Think carefully before answering. Thalassophobia. Name of this fish: salmon, sunfish, or clownfish? Clownfish. Color is octopus blood: red, blue, or black? Think hard, you can get it. Good job, it's blue. How do you feel when you see this picture? Where can you find clownfish? In anemones, in shells, or in shipwrecks? Write your answer in the comments. Yes! It's in anemones. The average depth of the oceans: 1,000 feet, 4,000 feet, or 12,000 feet? It's around 12,000 feet. Listen and guess the animal. What's your pick? Dolphin. Correct. Which one produces pearls? It's blue whale, snail, oyster, or mussel. Yes, it's oyster. The largest species of whale. Humpback whale, blue whale, or bowhead whale. Special about male seahorses. They change color, they lay eggs, or they are immortal. They lay eggs. What do you call this phenomenon? Bioluminescence, fluorescence, or photosynthesis? Bioluminescence. Which one is a seahorse? A, B, or C? B. What do you call this shark? Tiger shark, hammerhead shark, or whale shark? It's a hammerhead shark. Those lay of light by a living organism. True or false? That's obviously false. Whales don't lay eggs. Fast can dolphins swim? 10 miles per hour, 22 miles per hour, or 56 miles per hour? Well done, it's 22 miles per hour. Which one is a walrus? A, B, or C? B. Not easy. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.